Long ago, in a quiet village, lived two unfortunate sisters.
Despite their hardships, kindness filled their hearts. But their stepmother showed them little love.
Every day was filled with work, from sunrise to night. Still, they dreamed of something better.
One day they were sent deep into the forest. A strange magic surrounded the woods.
Soon they realized they were lost.
A mysterious light guided them forward. At the center stood an old, enchanted cottage.
The sisters stepped inside carefully.
Suddenly, a voice spoke from a mirror. Only hearts of kindness would pass the test. They chose kindness without hesitation. The magic recognized their pure hearts.
Nearby, Prince Armin searched the forest. He saw two girls, lost but brave. Touched by their kindness, he guided them.
The forest revealed its ancient secret.
Kind hearts had awakened forgotten magic. They returned with hope. The prince revealed their kindness.
The whole village saw their goodness.
For the first time, she felt regret.
He invited them to the royal castle.
A new life awaited them. The younger sister's dreams came alive. Even in luxury, Liana stayed humble.
The prince admired her kindness. A grand celebration filled the castle. His heart had chosen her. Will you be my queen?
The kingdom prepared a royal wedding. Kindness had changed their destiny. Mira discovered her own path. Even hearts of stone can soften. Their bond remained forever strong.
The kingdom prospered with kindness.